You're watching HM Advisor, and today we're taking a closer look at Iron Eraser Rust Remover. If you've seen the ads claiming it can quickly remove rust from cars, tools, and metal surfaces, you might be wondering whether it actually works or if it's just another product with big promises. According to the manufacturer, Iron Eraser is designed to help remove rust and corrosion without the need for excessive scrubbing or harsh cleaning methods. The product is marketed as an easy solution for restoring rusty metal surfaces around the home, garage, or workshop. Now, here's what you should know. Rust removal products can be effective, especially when dealing with light to moderate surface rust. However, results often depend on how severe the rust damage is. Surface rust is generally easier to remove, while deep corrosion that has developed over a long period may require more intensive treatment. Another important thing to remember is that promotional videos usually show products under ideal conditions. Real-world results can vary depending on the type of metal, the level of rust, and how the product is applied. Before purchasing any rust remover, it's always smart to check independent customer reviews, verified buyer experiences, and clear before and after examples. You should also look for transparent company information, customer support details, and a reasonable refund policy. So, what's the verdict on Iron Eraser Rust Remover? Based on the available information, it appears to be a standard rust removal product that may help with light and moderate rust issues. However, there is currently no strong evidence showing that it dramatically outperforms other rust removal solutions on the market. If you're considering trying it, keep your expectations realistic and do a bit of research before making a purchase. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and online buying tips. Thanks for watching.